disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah. All hard work.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Nia, and because I am a working mom, the weekends are really my best chance to get as much cleaning done around the house. So while Rylee goes down for her nap, I'm going to get as much cleaning done as possible. And because it's been so cold here in New Jersey, I've been trying to find fun and creative things to do with Rylee when she gets up. So I always tell her there's a fun surprise that she will get once she gets up from her nap. So today's video, we are going to be making a fun Christmas treat that you guys can also make with your kids. So definitely make sure to stay tuned for that.
I'm not into drinking. That's just wasting time.
Today I'm going to be starting off in my bedroom just because it is right across from Rylee's room. So in case she has a little bit of trouble going down for a nap, I'm still upstairs and can hear her. So I'm going to do a quick tidy up, fix the pillows and everything like that before heading downstairs and tackling the mess that's down there.
I'm gonna make it. Yeah. All hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream. I'm gonna try. Work till I die. I'm gonna
So it has been crazy busy at work because it's year end. I'm trying to get everything like closed out and finished, and it can be so overwhelming sometimes. And as a mom, I just find that I can be so hard on myself where I just want to do it all. And sometimes I just have to step back and give myself a break and give myself some grace. So if you guys are also experiencing the same thing where you may feel overwhelmed with the holidays coming up or just trying to keep up with day-to-day life, know that you are not alone and that it will get better. This is sometimes just life, and you know, there are crazy moments, but there's also beautiful moments in between as well.
emotion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine.
So this particular day, I was not able to move as quickly as I wanted to because the night before we actually had a holiday party at work, and I literally danced all night long. I had the best time of my life, but for some reason I must have hurt my knee so badly to the point I could barely even bend it and things like that. But overall, when I look back on it, it was just such a fun time to hang out with friends and just laugh and enjoy life. So if I am moving a little bit slower than usual, that is the reason why.
Thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? No drama, yeah. No drama, yeah. No he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town.
As I watch myself roll this cord for the vacuum, I'm just thinking I so would love a cordless vacuum for Christmas this year. I don't think I'm necessarily going to get it just because I didn't put it on my list, but it is definitely something I really, really want. Let me know if you guys have one and how do you like it. Is a lot easier than trying to maneuver one with a cord, and which one is your favorite? Like, what do you guys recommend? Because I definitely think that's something I'm going to get in 2020. And it's so funny because I was actually talking to one of my friends and she was excited about getting kitchen knives for Christmas. And I'm just like, who are we? Like, these are the things that we look forward to as adults for Christmas. It's just so funny to me.
Strangers scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
I finally made my way to the kitchen and I needed to do so much cleaning in here. The countertops are a complete mess. This particular day we were out earlier running errands and getting all the things that we needed to make our Christmas treat for later on in the day. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I actually even brought this to work and shared it with a couple of coworkers, and they said it was so good, so addicting that they literally had to hide it when they got home. So yeah, I'm basically going to do a quick cleanup of the kitchen. Rylee should be waking up from her nap soon, so I just also need to prepare everything so we can have some fun mommy and daughter time.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close.
We are going to be making the little reindeer one once Rylee gets up from her nap. I thought it was so adorable, but instead of using almonds as the eyes because she is allergic, my friend gave me these candy eyes. So we'll end up using these, and then I picked up these small little bags of pretzels, so those are going to be the reindeer ears. I'm not going to do any peppermint just because I don't care for peppermint. So I picked up this bag of small M&Ms. I figured we can kind of add those in there, and I will pick out the red ones to put on the nose. And then Michael's was having a 25% off your entire purchase, and these candy melts were already on sale. So I picked up 3 bags of the dark chocolate and then also 3 bags of the white. We're not going to do the snowman one, but I figured with the white one we can add more of the M&Ms, and then I did also pick up these sprinkles as well.
I would do anything for you. You know you're right.
I tried multiple ways to get these pretzels to be broken in half. I tried a knife, just splitting it with my fingers, and it was a bit tough. So I think if I had a little bit of a thicker pretzel, then it probably would have worked out better. But you know, at the end of the day, we're going to be eating this, and it doesn't need to be perfect. So it's all about just having fun with your little one and enjoying the time that you guys have together.
No, it's not about, yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not.
So by this time, Rylee was finally up from her nap, and as you can see, she was munching on some pretzels as well. So basically, I laid everything out and then allowed her to play along with the different toppings, and she had such a fun time. It's so fun just having her in the kitchen with me, cooking and things like that. It really reminds me of my childhood because I was the same exact way. I was always in the kitchen cooking with my mom and just enjoying that time together.
I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames?
So it's the next day, and I left the chocolate in overnight when really you only need to leave it in for 2 hours. And you want to use a sharp knife, and all you have to do is literally just break up the bark and then serve it. But I was actually giving this away to different friends and family, so I ended up purchasing these cute little tin cans from the Dollar Tree, and I gave it to everybody just like that.